Welcome to another episode of 3-Minute Videos with Nathaniel. Today we'll now solve question 1E of MBT Oxford 2014. The question asks find the maximum value of this function. What do? First we substitute sine squared x equals to 1 minus cos squared x. We work inside the brackets first for this to become 4 minus 4 cos squared x plus 4 cos x plus 1, and then we move like terms together. Now we can substitute cos x for y, so we write it here. Notice that cos squared x equals to y squared. How do we find the maximum value? We take its derivative. D over dy now becomes 4 minus 8y. 4 minus 8y equals to 0. This becomes 8y equals to 4 and y equals to half. Solving this equation becomes cos x equals to half and then x equals to pi over 3. If you may want to know the trigonometric values quickly, here's a neat tip to help you. So this is sine 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So you count here 0, so you start from here, which means you have pass 0 fingers. For example, to find sine 30, you need to pass this, which is 1. Then you take the square on that number and divide by 2. So that becomes half. Now how about sine 60? How many fingers? 3 of them. So 3 is here. So square root of 3, and then we divide it by 2 to become square root of 3 over 2. Yeah, that's a nifty trick, isn't it? Now using this trick, we can find out 4 sine squared pi over 3 plus 4 cos pi over 3 plus 1 squared. You know, nomenclature can be confusing. Take for example sine inverse. It doesn't mean 1 over sine x, rather it means cosecant x. 1 over sine x means cosecant x. But sine inverse means the inverse function, sine to the power negative 1. See that? That's why nomenclature and notation can be confusing. Because I thought that maths could be better designed. Anyways, this becomes 4 times, remember the sine of 60. Now 60 is pi over 3 in this radian rule. Radians are useful for doing other trigonometric problems which help you basically in calculus. You square this, become 3 plus 2 plus 1 squared equals to 6 squared equals to 36. Well, now it's interesting to note that 6 is a triangular number and its square is also a triangular number. It also is interesting in that 36 digits are only made up of triangular numbers. You can describe more properties of this number 6 that is in the video, a very long video. But here is a simple quadratic equation in terms of sine and cosine. We convert it into cosine, and we program a substitution, get the differentiation, and then find cos x, and then x will be pi over 3, and then we substitute it back in to get an answer that is as large as 36. Thank you, bye!